Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me Rahul Tomar, and in this video I'm going to discuss about what is MIS executive. And if you are a person who wants to be MIS executive, then also this video is going to be very useful for you, because I'll be sharing the details how you can be an MIS executive. If you're working in any another field, how you can change your career into data field in MIS executive, or if you're a fresher, how you can take entry into MIS executive. Then last we are going to discuss what is the job role of MIS executive. So all of these three things are going to be discussed in this video. So make sure you don't skip any part of this video, so you will be having total, or you can say full understanding about the MIS executive job role. And if you are new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button and the notification icon also, so you will be getting the updates about my upcoming videos in the future. Let's talk about first educational qualification. What is the minimum education qualification required to be a MIS executive, whether a fresher or experienced? Education qualification is same for everyone. Few of the companies ask for 12th pass minimum, means undergraduate. If you're a person who is pursuing a graduation only 12th pass and having a good advanced Excel skills, then also you can be a MIS executive, but in some small firms, some small companies. But if I talk about 80 to 85 companies, they ask for graduation in any stream, but minimum graduation. But it doesn't mean that if you have just passed out 12th class, you cannot apply. There are only few companies who ask for 12th pass and advanced Excel skills. If you are having both of these, then also you can apply. But there are companies who ask for graduation, but there are only 5 to 10% companies which ask for graduation in a specific stream. Like if company has the process of banking process, then they ask for like you must have done BCom, like this. So this is what is about education qualification. If you're a 12th pass, then also you can apply in this is for, maybe you can say 5 to 10% companies you can apply for 12th pass, and 80 to 85% company ask for graduation in any stream, and 5 to 10% company ask for graduation in any specific field, in computer science, in BCom, like this. Let's talk about the second part, which is English communication skills, which must be good, because you have to connect with the higher management of your company. Because if you're working as a MIS executive in any specific company, in any XYZ company, so you are playing a very important role in the management company, in the organization. So you have to connect with the management, you have to connect with your seniors, your clients. So you must be having a good English communication skills. Then third we have, if you want to be on MIS executive, then there are so many courses available. Online and offline courses are available for becoming MIS executive. Whatever suits you better, you can do that. Let's talk about the tools which you have to learn to be a MIS executive. First of all, and the most important tool is advanced Excel. If you're good in advanced Excel, and if you're minimum 12th pass, then also you can be a MIS executive, but in some small companies, not in a big company, not in an international company. But you can enter in MIS field, you can enter in data field. But in some of the company, what happens, this is mandate advanced Excel for being a MIS executive. But additional, if you know any of these tools, Power BI, SQL, Python, Tableau, then you are given more preference compared to other candidates who are there to give interview in the company. Just take an example. There are two candidates who are going to give interview in any specific company. One is you and second is another one. You are good in Excel and in one of these skills, or all of these skills. And the second person, he's also good in Excel, but he doesn't have any additional skills. Then definitely you are going to get selected, because the company searches for a candidate who knows about the latest tools in the market, so that they can use that to give proper or good insight of the data to the management. Like I have shared before, some of the companies ask for only advanced Excel, which is in small companies, and some of the companies ask for advanced Excel plus SQL. SQL is used to extract data from data sources. Okay, And some companies ask for advanced Excel, SQL plus Python plus Power BI. And if you know all of these tools, so you should not enter in MIS field, I think. MIS level, because MIS level is the lower level. And if you are having all of these tools, knowledge of all of these tools, then you can definitely be a data analyst. Here I have shared the details of how to be a data analyst, what is the minimum education qualification, and what are the skills like English communication skills, online courses, and what are the tools which you have to learn. Now let's talk about what a MIS executive do. Okay, so MIS executive in any specific company, you can say, generates insights from data so that management can take a decision. Management can take a important decision about business. Like if you're working in any retail company, if you are working in any product based company, so you they can ask for your weekly report, like weekly report of sales. They can ask you to produce, then monthly report. Just let me explain you in a simple language. Like there are data sources. Okay, there are data sources. Like if in for any company you're working for, that company has a website. Okay, first of all you have to extract data from that website, then using SQL. Then you have to generate insights. First of all you have to clean that data. And generate insights using that data. Then Power BI tool is used to make professional dashboards using the data, so that it becomes very easy for the management to understand the insights through the dashboard. So this is what you have to do as if you're working in as a MIS executive in any company. Extract data from other sources, from whatever sources company is receiving data, like website or any sources. So you have to use the SQL tool to extract the data. Then you have to clean that data using Excel. Then if you want to make professional dashboards, stunning reports, and you want to present those reports and dashboard to your management, so that it would be very easy for them to understand and make important decision, make important changes in business, there we use Power BI tool for making good dashboards. So this is the work of a MIS executive. Like this is the work of data. You have to extract data, you have to clean that data, you have to transform that data, then you have to make some meaningful reports, you have to extract some meaningful insights from that data, which can help your business, which can help your company to increase the revenue, to increase the services. This is what is the work of MIS executive. If you're a person who is working in any another field, who is working in BPO, who is working in any job and wants to switch your career in MIS executive, then you just have to learn advanced Excel, SQL, then definitely you can switch your career. And with advanced Excel only you can switch your career. And if you're a person who is fresher and wants to start a career in MIS executive, then also it is possible for you. As I have mentioned, minimum 12th pass can apply, but there are only few companies which you can count on fingers who allow 12th pass to be a MIS executive in that company. Otherwise, 80 to 85% companies ask for minimum graduation in any specific field, means in any field. But there are 10 to 15% of the companies who ask for graduation in any specific field which is related to their work. Like some of the companies ask for graduation in computer science, some of the companies ask for graduation in BCom, like this. So I hope I have told each and everything about the MIS executive job role and how you can be a MIS executive and how you can switch your career from other profiles to MIS executive, how you can enter into MIS executive field. So I hope everything is clear to you. If still you have any doubt in your mind, please feel free to leave the comment in the comment box. I'll be responding you soon. Please hit the subscribe button and the notification icon also. This is enough for this video. I'll see you soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye.